Hi guys. Hey, if you have the Dynam P-51 Mustang, the newer one that has the four-bladed prop, and you ever break your prop, you try to get one through Dynam, through either BitGo or Grayson or whoever else sells them, and you can't get one, they're not in stock. I have a very good alternative. If you have the E-Flite 1.2 meter Mustang, the propeller off from it, right here is the part number. Try to get the focus. Of course, it won't focus with this new phone. E-Flite 105084BL. There, I can get, okay, there we go, got it now. The four blade prop for the 1.2 meter P-51D. Guys, it fits right on. It comes with the yellow wing, the yellow tips already painted. Now, I had a buddy of mine that made me up the Hamilton standard stickers, so those don't come on it, but it fits right on. Bolts right on, and actually I think it's a better prop than the Dynam prop. So if you guys break your props on your Dynam P-51, right here is a great alternative. In fact, now that I know they fit and it bolts right on, I didn't have to use any adapters or anything. I'm going to keep using these as long as E-Flite makes them. That's the only problem with anything with E-Flite, because E-Flite discontinues everything so damn quick. But anyway, just wanted to let you know, 1.2 meter E-Flite P-51 props work perfect. So thanks guys, I hope you're all doing good, and it's starting to get warm, so hopefully we can start getting more flying videos. Thanks guys, take care, stay safe out there. Bye.